everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 3, Day 3. So today is Wednesday, and we're going to start with some phonemic awareness. So I'm going to say a word, and then we're going to change a sound in the word and change the whole word. So if I have the word gnat, and I change the a to I, it becomes knit. So right, change the I to O, wrote. Wreck, change the e to a, rack. Gnaw, change the a to oo, new. Ring, change the ing to ung, rung. Night, change the I to O, note. Quite, change the I to O, quote. Okay, nice job, everyone. So this is the third day, so I'm gonna underline it, and then you're going to say it after 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, knock. 3, 2, 1, wrote. 3, 2, 1, wreck. 3, 2, 1, knob. So remember, all of these have a silent letter at the beginning. 3, 2, 1, gnat. 3, 2, 1, wrist. 3, 2, 1, night. 3, 2, 1, knee. 3, 2, 1, knife. Okay, here we go. So here we go. Blend, wrap. The word is wrap. Ooh, new. And remember, that's an African animal. Okay, here we go. No. Oh, known. Okay, let's look at some of these. I, k, I, st, a, e, a, der, ow, st, oo, sh. Okay, so the ones we're focusing on WR, which says and KN that says and then I don't see it here, but GN, which says Okay, let's blend some words. Okay, here we go. Right, rights. Knee. No, knock. Wrong. Wrote. Gnat. Night. Wrist. Wrap. Gnaw. So that's chewing. Wreck. New. Okay, so here I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Some of these are compound words. This first one is. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry guys. Knee pad. Okay, here's another compound word. 3, 2, 1. Snowball. Okay, here's another compound word. 3, 2, 1. Wristwatch. 3, 2, 1. Moonlight. 3, 2, 1. Baseball. 3, 2, 1. Daydream. 3, 2, 1. Homework. 3, 2, 1. Doghouse. So a lot of sight words. Not sight words, a lot of compound words. So this time I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, caught. 3, 2, 1, strawberry. And that's an ah and an air. No, it's an ah and an berry. Okay, next, 3, 2, 1, suitcase. 3, 2, 1, toothbrush. Okay, here's our sentence. I wrote the wrong date on my test. Do you know how to knit a scarf? Okay, so once again, you can do your spelling either on a worksheet or online at Spelling City. Okay, let's blend some of these words. Wreck. Night. Wrote. Wrist. Knee. Okay, here's our sentence. I wrote the wrong date on my test. Okay, here is our story today. Know about snowstorms. So there's a compound word, snowstorms. Okay, here are some words we will see. Of, some, children, do, you, what, should, there, warm, don't. Okay, here we go. Let's go back to yellow. Know about snowstorms. Winter can be a fun time of the year. In some places, a winter month means the chance of a snowstorm. Children can play in the snow. So I will also mark our compound words. So that would have been snowstorm was a compound word. Okay, here we go. Do you know what to do in case of a big snowstorm? Oh, there's no. If you have been tuned to the news, you will know the storm is on the way. Stock up on food and water. Also, fix up a first aid kit. Grown-ups should fill up their cars with gas. Ask the right questions and check on good friends. Okay, I'll go over here. The snowstorm hits. The snowflakes may fall as big as pennies or as small as gnats, so little bugs. The snow can pile up fast. This is the time to stay inside. The wind can blow the snow into drifts. These drifts can be knee deep or higher, so they can be really high. Stay inside while the snowstorm is still blowing. Dress right to go outside. Get a warm coat, knit hat, mittens and boots. Outside, the raw wind can make you gnash those teeth because it's so cold. Knowing what to do in the snow is a good plan. Don't forget to have fun in the snow too. Okay, so let's go over some of our compound words. I'll say it, then we'll break it apart. Classroom, classroom, classroom. Snowstorm, snow, storm, snowstorm. Knee pad, knee pad, knee pad. Sunlight, sun, light, sunlight. Rainfall, rain, fall, rainfall, fall. I did not realize rainfall was a compound word. Okay, so let's go over some high frequency words. Been. The children have been here all day. Children. The children have been here all day. Month. This is the first month in the year. Question. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Year. This is the first month of the year. Okay, so we'll skip that. So once again, we're going over indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns don't tell you exactly who's talking or what you're talking about. So something could be something in the room. anything could be any special thing in the room. So let's look at this. Kim and Mom had a special day because of the weather. There was a snowstorm. A news reporter said for everyone to stay inside. So what does everyone mean? Indefinite pronoun. We know it's an indefinite pronoun. Everyone means literally everyone or everybody. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks.